Buying a Tesla isn't simple, because each model sits at a completely different level in design, performance, and purpose.
Tesla has 7 different levels.
Level 1, Tesla Model 3 RWD. A perfect entry into the world of electric luxury. Smooth, silent, and incredible.
Clean design. Smart control. Tesla Model 3 AWD. Instant power. Zero delay. Pure electric speed.
Go further. Use less. Drive smarter.
Sleek look. Modern feel. Built to impress. Full control. All conditions. Drive with confidence.
Level 2, Tesla Model 3 Long Range.
Clean inside. Pure control. Model 3 Long Range. Long range. Less charging. More freedom. Quick launch. Smooth power. Electric performance. Sleek shape. Smart design. Built to glide. No engine. Dual electric motors. Instant power delivery.
Dual motors working together. All-wheel drive control. Maximum efficiency.
Level 3, Tesla Model 3 Performance.
Sporty inside. Pure control. Performance feel. Instant launch. Blazing fast. Pure electric power. Dual motors. Maximum power. Full control.
Bold design. Sport attitude. Built to perform.
Sharp handling. Perfect balance. Drive-in control.
Level 4, Tesla Model Y.
More space. Clean design. Model Y comfort.
Smooth drive. Instant response. Electric performance.
No engine. Dual motors. Smart power. Long range. Less charging. More freedom.
Simple look. Smart design. Built for daily life.
Level 5. Tesla Model S.
Pure luxury. Smart control. Model S.
In speed. Instant speed. Electrolay. Dual motors. Smart power. Full control. Go further. Charge less. Drive smarter. Sleek design. Premium look. Built to lead. Level 6. Tesla Model S Plaid. Future inside. Pure luxury. Plaid experience. Insane launch. Unmatched speed. Plaid power. 3 motors. Maximum output. Total control. Built for speed. Cutting through air. Pure performance.
Bold design. Extreme presence. Plaid identity.
Level 7. Tesla Cybertruck.
Ultra tough. Steel body. Cybertruck power.
Future design. Clean interior. Smart control.
Electric power. Multiple motors. Instant torque. Off-road ready. Built strong. No limits. More space. More utility. Built to work.